So hello everyone, today is the 11th of November, so it's been quite a few days since I grabbed this camera, but I'm on a clear out mode and I need to rearrange things in my flat. My flat is really small. It has good sized bedrooms, but like the hallway is super narrow and all of that. So I want to tackle my units in the sitting room because I'm getting ready to paint the sitting room. And okay, the background over there that you guys are seeing is my laundry cupboard. I'm in the hallway. I want to clear out my Ikea units because I have a lot of stuff from my daughter, like from when she went to nursery, her first years in school, and I also have books that she no longer reads. They're all in like little boxes that Ikea provides for their units. I do apologize if the lighting gets really bright, so let me move into a more suitable area. That's better. So I want to start clearing stuff because I want to move one of the units into the bathroom. My bathroom is quite spacious. Want to move it in there so I have enough space for my towels, for my hair products and stuff like that. And I'm getting ready to paint the sitting room as well because very soon I'm going to be putting wall art on my walls here, and hopefully it will be a surprise for you guys. Hopefully I'll have another discount, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I want to add a little bit more of me in the sitting room. It looks really plain and very small, and I want to get rid of these units. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, a little bit of a clear out. So this is what I mean about this unit right here from Ikea, which I love so much. I have it very close to my kitchen, and then that's a cupboard where my boiler is and everything. So I want to move this into the bathroom, but I need to clear the boxes and see what she needs, what she doesn't. The moment she comes in and she sees that all her things are on the floor, she's going to start crying, saying she doesn't want to get rid of anything. But I really need to. This is from her nursery. Let me just show you guys. It's a scrapbook and it has really cute things from her, a certificate. I can't believe she's like 8. This is like a little picture of her playing. I just wish that time could go back so I could look at her. I just love seeing these little things. It's super duper cute. But this I'm definitely keeping. I'm not giving it to anyone, or not giving it to anyone, but like getting rid of it. As you guys can see, look, her little Afro puffs. She's like the cutest baby in the world. Of course she is, because she's my daughter and I love her so much. So I'm definitely keeping this. I'm not getting rid of it because at some point she can have a look and see, you know, see these memories, I would say. But in here I have so many books, and then there's stuffed animals in some of these, and I'm just going to get rid of everything or else my house is going to turn into a junkyard. Through another box, and all I'm finding is cute little things from her nursery time. I just can't. I can't with so much cuteness. It is just the best thing ever. So I'm definitely keeping these ones because they're the most memorable pictures for her at the time when she was so little, because she started at 9 months. So I'm definitely keeping this one as well. So I have finally managed to clear all my daughter's stuff from this unit right here, and I'm super happy. I need to take these bags downstairs before she comes because she will stress me out. I'm not even going to tell her. Does that make me a really bad mom? But I can't, because she just drives me mad about everything that she likes to hold on to. So I may just not tell her for the time being. Hopefully she won't kill me after. But I'm going to tackle now a different unit in the sitting room, which I can see there's a lot of stuff in there. I feel like because I've been here for nearly 2 years, it's going to be 2 years in January, I just tucked things away and completely forgot about them. And now that I'm looking for more storage in my flat, I'm like, why do I have all this stuff here? So it's not only my daughter, it's myself, and I put my hand up. So I'm going to tackle a different unit. And I'm going to show you a perspective of my sitting room, how it looks right now. It looks absolutely crazy. So here is a perspective of my messy sitting room at the moment. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I need to get this going because I want to finish before it becomes too dark. Please ignore or please excuse this jumper on a chair. That's how I dry my jumpers of a more premium quality. I don't want them to stretch, so I just put them on a chair close to the window. And I'm going to tackle that unit right there. The first box, I can already see all of it is just going to go in the bin. The TV is going to go on the wall here when I paint the wall. And again, just excuse my TV. It's really, really old. I think I got this in 2008. It never failed me, so I don't feel like I need to replace it until it completely stops working. I think I'm just going to keep it. But I'll be changing curtains. And I'm going to paint that wall of, I'm just going to paint the whole sitting room. I just haven't chosen the color. I want to work around my sofa that I love so much. It's gray, so I'm not entirely sure. Leave me some comments below. What shades on the wall should I put? Because I'm tired of seeing just white. I think it would look nicer with like a beigey, like earthy tones. That's what I'm looking for. And yeah, and the curtains, I'm either going to put white to cream curtains or blinds. I'm not entirely sure, but when I go IKEA, I'm pretty sure I'm going to take you guys along with me. So good morning everyone. It's Monday the 11th of November. I woke up really early today. My eyes are still puffy. I'm still trying to wake up. I've done all my skincare, brushed my teeth, all of that. I'm taking my daughter to the doctor today because she's not feeling 100%. So I'm going in late to work. I've asked her to wake up. I'm sitting here having my coffee, and I'm going to check my emails and my messages on YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed really soon and get her up as well. So guys, packed lunch ready. She loves eggs, so I just made her a little omelet inside a little brioche bun, which she loves so much. So that's done. The appointment is only at 11:30, so I'm going to kind of like relax and maybe check some of my emails. She's watching some cartoons, so we're just making some time because we have like 2.5 hours to kill, which is crazy. I wish I could just go into the office and then go to the doctor, but I have her, so I can't bring her into the office, which is really bad. When I was her age, I could go with my parents into the office, which was so much fun. But yeah, she's sitting in the sitting room watching some cartoons. By the way, let me just touch on the makeup that I'm wearing real quick. So I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in shade 220, I think. I've completely forgot how much I love this foundation. It's buildable coverage all the way to almost a full coverage, but I only apply one pump all over my face, and that gives me kind of like buildable, almost to medium, I would say. But it is very, very natural. My concealer, Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. For blush, I am wearing a cream blush by Kevyn Aucoin called Mademoiselle, or Très Belle. I think that's Très Belle. It's so amazing. I don't know where I put my Pot Rouge from Bobbi Brown, and I absolutely love wearing cream products in the winter because it just gives you kind of like that natural flushed look. And for my hair, as you guys know, I used my steam pod over the weekend, so my hair still looks really, really good. There's no curl anymore, but there is kind of like a little bit of texture, and I only applied a little bit of oil, my Kerastase oil. And yeah, I really love how my hair has turned out. I will never go back to GHDs. That is something that I've said to myself. No more GHDs. I can't speak, because they dry my hair out. I used to love them at first, but if I use GHDs, every day I have to straighten my hair because my hair just does not hold any moisture. And with the steam pod, still good by the 3rd day, which is awesome. So guys, I am doing this week outfit ideas for winter, for fall winter, I would say, because we're not in winter yet. This is my first outfit of the week. I'm not going to go into much detail in this video, but you guys can check the info bar below for details. But yeah, I'm wearing a nice slip dress from Zara and a layering top and some boots because it's really cold and it's raining. So I'll see you guys later. So good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, the 12th of November. I literally got up so early today. I've just found out that I still have a parcel from Zara in my local post office. When I went to return a few items yesterday, the return value was not equivalent to what I was keeping. And then I checked my emails and they actually sent me in 2 separate parcels. So I have to go to the post office before I go to work, which is crazy. The appointment for my daughter yesterday went really well. The doctor was super sweet. And she's doing really well, but I got to work around 1:30. I think earlier than that, maybe 12:30, and I got her into school around 12, which was close to her lunch break. So she was happy about that because she wanted to eat. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the post office real quick, get my parcel. So I have some skincare products which are natural that I love so much. Just yesterday, I received this one. It was kindly gifted to me. I mean, all of these were gifted, and I still have a few masks, but I keep them in the fridge. Not sponsored whatsoever, but I just wanted to mention them. This one is the hemp infused natural nutrition moisturizer that is amazing. I only tried it yesterday for the first time, and straight away I felt my skin feeling super duper soft. I've been using the oil for several months, and I even featured in one of my previous videos. I also have this one over here which I really like. It works as a mask, like an intense mask, or you can use it as a moisturizer. For me, because I have combination to oily skin, is a little bit too heavy, so I use it at night, or you know, those days that I'm just at home and I don't feel like I'm going out, so I can just have like a really thick moisturizer. It smells really, really nice. It reminds me of the Bobbi Brown moisturizer. I'll put the name here on the screen because I can't remember the name, but I absolutely love it. But I haven't repurchased it because I have so many skincare products to go through. And then one of their night masks. I think this is a night mask. Let me just put it closer to the camera. Hopefully it's going to focus. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It just takes so long to focus. It's ridiculous. There we go. This one is made of turmeric. It's a superfood night moisturizer. And I really, really love all these products. I think they're amazing. And I'll definitely be doing more featuring of these in my skincare videos very, very soon. So I literally just got back home. It's super cold outside. Had a long day at work, super duper busy. And I'm really sorry if the lighting is poor and terrible, but it's nighttime now. I think it's closer to 7 o'clock. I went to my local store to pick up a mango parcel because I want to add a few pieces to my capsule wardrobe, which I will be sharing with you guys very soon on my channel. The reason for that is I'm trying to really minimize the amount of pieces that I have to wear, but I want to make the capsule wardrobe very, very effective. Like just go to the wardrobe or my rack over here, just pick up pieces and make it work really well. So I wanted to try mango because now that I'm losing a little bit of weight, hopefully, fingers crossed, I can fit in their clothes. Mango was never like that before. Mango used to be, in my time in my 20s when I lived in Belgium, Mango used to have sizes all the way from extra small to double extra large, and for some reason they've changed things, so now they only go to like a size large. Sometimes you'll find 5 pieces which are a 16, 5 pieces which are an extra large, but the majority of the time it only goes to large or size 14. And if you want to buy bigger sizes, you have to go to the plus size section, which I refuse to buy, not because I wasn't plus size before or considered plus size, just because the line in the plus size section is very old-fashioned in my opinion. It's not as nice as their normal collection. And when I say their normal collection, is because the majority of their items is in that collection where it only goes to size large. Anyway, I only ordered about 3 pieces because I wanted to try. So I ordered a sweater, a cashmere sweater. I ordered a pair of jeans in size 14 because I am wearing size 14 now from H&M. So I want to give it a try. H&M is really small. Hello. So I ordered 3 things and a cardigan as well, and then if they do fit, I'll possibly will be mentioning the brand a little bit more on my channel. And I also ordered gold-plated jewelry because that's what they have a lot now. They have gold-plated jewelry which is very dainty, very cute, and very very classic, and they cost around £25 compared to like Masoma and stuff like that, which is a lot more expensive. They actually have really cute pieces that I want to give it a go and try. So yeah, that is basically it. My daughter, she's in the sitting room. I'm going to fix something for us to eat and call it a night, I think. But yeah, let me fix something for me and my little one to eat. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now.